During the month of Ramadan, in the old trading lanes of Mannady, the street prepares for the evening to come. As the hours pass, the aromas of spice and frying oil begin to fill the air, turning an ordinary road into one of the most vibrant food streets in Chennai. These recipes reflecting a blend of Tamil Muslim, North Indian, and Middle Eastern culinary influences. What begins as a marketplace slowly becomes a celebration. In these few lively hours, Mannady is more than a food street. It's a tradition, community, and the living rhythm of the city.